What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn MKV file into MP4 on your Windows and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the Microsoft Store. So Microsoft Store is actually a marketplace where you can get all the free as well as the paid apps as well as the games which are free absolutely and as well as the paid. So just go over here at the top, search for the VLC because we need the VLC in order to get into this. So VLC is a widely used application, so just go over here, click on install so that it will be installed over here right now. So once after successfully installed, we need to open the VLC and we need to follow these instructions which I'm going to show you. So VLC is actually a commonly used or open source media player where you can play the videos and all those things. So it can play all these kind of videos and you can do a few things over here, some kind of things which I'm going to show you right now. So once it's successfully downloaded, you just need to open it and you have to follow these instructions. So once it is successfully installed over here, as you can see, we have the VLC Media Player. So right now we need to open the VLC Media Player over here like this. And right now the first one, after opening, just go over here, click on the media and go for right now over here. And right now go for open file. Now from here you have to navigate to the MKV file. So right now over here, as you can see, if I check over here in the properties, you can see this is actually an MKV file. So what I'm going to just go over here and open it. So right now it is added over here. So what happens is it is successfully added, and right now what I need to do is after it's successfully added, you just need to click over here on the media once again. Just go over here and go for contact, just add the open file over here, and once the file is successfully added, you just need to add it. And once this particular file is successfully added, all we have to do is afterwards what we need just do is just do like this. All you have to just click over here on the three dot menu, and right now we have an option to contact and save. And once it's added, just select this one and go for contact and save. And right now we need to go over here and click on add, so that you have to select it once again and go for open. So it is added and select respective one. And right now over here, as you can see, you have to contact and save. And right now over here in the video, you have to over here, sometimes you might be having an option to save it, go for contact and save. And right now you have to convert and save options over here and click on this one. And right now over here in the profile over here, right now click on the convert and make sure over here you can see we have options, many options to save it. So right now we need to select H2.65 plus MP3. This is the options where we need to save it because it's actually the MP4. Select this one. And right now where we wanted to save it. So just click on the browse, and I'm going to save this over here on the documents, not the documents. I'm going to save it over here in the picture. Just go for save and go for start. So what happens is it is going to do the process over here, and once after successfully done, it is all done. You just need to go over here on the folder over here, directly navigate to the pictures, and it will be created over here like this. And right now if you check the section over here on the properties, as you can see, it has been saved into the MP4, and that's all you have to try. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.